Hi everyone, welcome to the STAT programming. Today I'm going to talk about ADaMIG version 1.2. So I'm going to have a series of recordings for ADaMIG 1.2. So today, um, just show you the first part. So first you go to CDISC website, cdisc.org, and then log in with your account, and then go to standards and click ADaM, and then go to ADaMIG 1.2 release package. So this version is not one file, it's a whole package. As you can see, it was released in October 3rd last year, and it has all these files. So I will go through this file in detail, and first I download. Let me first download. Okay, open that. You can see that there are so many files for this package. I will go through this one for you today, just part of that. Okay, so when we reference to 1.2 is reference to a whole package here. Okay, so let's open that file. Make it larger. Okay, so this is the file. We go through a bit smaller. So this document corresponds to um, version 2.1 for ADaM, and we can see the release date. I will not go through the detail for each part, but I will go through the something that I think is more important or a little tricky or difficult to understand. Uh, some item might be very straightforward. I might not go through that detail for you. Let's go to the first part. Okay. So the item, this one, highlighting this one. So this means this document has to be checked together with this ADaM version 2.1 file. This file is this one, the package. You will see there's a file called this one, ADaM Data Model 2.1. So this is the original one, which was developed more than 10 years ago and is still applicable. So when you look at 1.2, you have to look at this one, and this one together, and also TTE. Let me show you these four. So actually, these four files together. So I will talk about more about the relationship between these files and probably other files in ADaMIG 1.1. Okay. About background. So here this means that the ADaM were designed to support the FDA and the PMDA for the submission. And this one means that the FDA has also some special requirement or documents in addition to CDISC. So when you submit your dataset to FDA, you first need to make sure your data is CDISC compliant, but also need to be compliant to some FDA's regulations or requirements. They have a study data standard resource. They have some documents also. So one is CDISC, the other is for FDA. So both need to be met for your dataset submission. Okay, here means the Japanese submission, you have to comply to PMDA requirement. So what is covered in the ADaMIG? There are three structures. One is ADSL, and then BDS, and OCCDS. Okay, here, this is the table that I will show you for different ADaMIG 1.0 until 1.2. Okay, so for the first five, it stayed the same for the three versions, and this file is very important. But sometimes you will find that the ADaMIG document in this newer version, you'll find some content might conflict with this document. So in this case, you might refer to this file, not this one. Okay, has to be checked closely. This is the tricky one. And for these three documents, they stay the same. You still need to check these documents for any of these versions of ADaMIG. And for the this document, it is only used for 1.0. And for these two versions, it's not applicable. But the OCCDS, which is occurrence data structure, was created exclusively for ADaMIG 1.1 and 1.2. Okay, and we have conformance rule, which was updated continuously from this one until here. They are getting more and more rules, and these two documents stay the same. Okay, for the general ADaM definitions, there's one thing I want to point out is the traceability. So when you develop ADaM dataset, make sure you have some kind of traceability. It's important. So where you get your ADaM data variables, how do you derive? So the traceability is important. Please make this for your consideration when you develop your ADaM dataset. Okay, it's kind of straightforward. for the analysis dataset and ADaM datasets. So analysis dataset include both ADaM and non-ADaM dataset. For non-ADaM dataset, it is important not to refer to non-ADaM analysis dataset as ADaM dataset. And for non-ADaM dataset, it's better you start your dataset name as like AX, not AD. AD is exclusively used for ADaM dataset. And this figure is important. So basically, you can see that ADaM dataset have four structures: ADSL, BDS, OCCDS, and the other one is ADaMIG. So for any dataset that you follow the ADaM naming conventions or other rules, but do not fall into any of these data structures, we call ADaMIG. So you can see for ADAE, ADCM, ADaMIG, usually it is OCCDS data structure. Okay. For any non-ADaM dataset, will follow into this category. Okay. Analysis dataset within the ECTD folder structure. As you can see, this figure is really important for FDA TCG technical conformance guide. This is the submission folder for your dataset. So first you will have a module 5 for clinical data, and then you have your study protocol number here. And if you for an ADaM dataset, if you will put under this folder. If this folder will have datasets, XPD datasets, as Define.xml, define style sheet, have ADRG file, and for this folder you have programs with TXT format, and probably have the reviewers guide for the programs. And if your dataset is larger than 4 GB or 5 GB, you have to split and put under this folder. So if your dataset is a legacy dataset, you put everything under this folder. So how to define it is ADaM dataset or legacy dataset? It is the ADSL dataset. So if your ADSL dataset follows the ADaM rule, then all datasets should be put under this folder. So all datasets, under this folder, not ADSL here and other here. So for your dataset submission, you only put your stuff under this one or this one, not together. Okay. Same thing for the tabulations of dataset. If your data is SDTM, put under this folder. If it is legacy, put on this folder, not together. Okay. That's for today. And next time I will talk about more about the second part about fundamentals of ADaM standards.